Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will discuss and teach you on how to create a grade checker using if-else statement in JavaScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and most importantly to my subscribers for always supporting my videos by watching, by sharing, and leaving a comment and comments. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so basically on the internet I'm using https playcode.io as my interpreter in JavaScript. So we have here a variable let grade, and then I assign a value of 74 using if-else statement. If grade is greater than or equal to 75, the passing grade is 75. We have here a relational operator. If it is true, console log your grade is grade, whatever it is. The remarks is you passed the subject. Else, if it is false, let's say for example 74, your grade is 74, you failed the subject. And then we close here. Okay, let us go to our online compiler here. So let's say we have 74. While I'm typing, it will display the output on the console. Your grade is 74, you failed the subject. And then if we change 74, let's say for example 83, your grade is 83, you passed the subject. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to write and create a grade checker using if-else statement in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.